advertise that F1.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's michelleamoree, and if you are new here, hi, hello, welcome. So basically, we're in Venice to take our pre-wedding photos. I just thought that Venice would be the perfect location for that, just given that it's just so rich in history. The architecture is very beautiful, and then just the whole design of the city is very unique. And I love gondolas, I love water, so I just thought it's just the perfect aesthetic, and it gives that like old Italian romance feel. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the Airbnb where we're staying at. It's a pretty simple Airbnb. I'm just gonna really show you guys the view from the Airbnb because that's really the only exciting part about it. Everything else is just a basic, simple apartment. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, excuse the mess, but this is the view when you walk into the bedroom. It's like an apartment style Airbnb, but you get two windows. And look at the view. So it opens up really nicely, and then you just see the whole city. Oh, look. And it's the same thing for the other window. So I truly love this. Just absolutely stunning. So yeah, it's really nice to just wake up to this gorgeous, beautiful view and just see like the gondolas and the little boats coming down the stream thing, the streets, whatever it is. And the cool thing about Venice though is that like it's a walkable city, which I love. I love walkable European cities. But if you do want to go on like water boats or taxis or whatever to get to places that are a bit further, or you don't feel like doing the 20-minute walk, you can do that. If you do it privately though, it's pretty expensive. They're trying to charge us like 60 euros for like a 5-minute water boat trip, and we're just like, no, we'll walk.
Can't change the world unless we change ourselves. Die from the sicknesses if we don't seek the help. All eyes be my witness when I speak was felt. Full house on my hands, the cards I was step. 3 Ks, 2 A's in America. I'm just a black spade born out the nebula.
On the morning of the shoot, my makeup artist came directly to our Airbnb to go ahead and start the process of getting my makeup done. I was just gonna go ahead and do my hair because I couldn't find anyone out there to do like black women's hair. So I did it myself, and I think it came out super pretty and just perfect for the vision I had. The photographer and her assistant also came by and brought more dress options for me to try on. Love the red, but it was just too see-through for me and I wasn't comfortable, so I went with the black for one of my fits. We just kind of like walked through Venice and went to the various different sites to take our pictures. We had so much fun, even though it was super, super cold, but it was so worth it, and the pictures came out beautifully.
Get it with me. They hating on it, hating on it. This smiling so fine. They can spin me. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Kiss. Get it with me. They hating on it, hating on it. This smiling so fine. They can spin me. I'm a country boy from Cavalieri. VA is where I reside, so shawty understand it. And I know I just turned 18 and I get a little managed. You see this bandana hanging, that means I'm like a bandit, like a bandit. I got paper, girl, frustration, I got the remedy, you feeling me? So why is you hating on my anatomy? It's bird like, yeah, you heard it right. Girl, I'm the king, so that means I'm blind.
Yo, look at how small this elevator is. So this was our last and final day in Venice. I just want to kind of go ahead and give you guys like an overview of our experience there and like my thoughts, and is Venice even a city worth spending a lot of time at? To be quite honest, I felt like 3 or 4 days was a lot. I think Venice is definitely one of those type of cities where you can get a good gist of the city in like a day or two. No need to allow it to take a significant part of your Italy itinerary. Regardless of all of that though, I did really love the city. It's extremely unique with its surrounding and just the architecture. And I mean, honestly, what other city has like canals as streets? I mean, I know there's others, but Venice is just really unique in that regard. But all in all, I don't think it's really one of those Italian cities where you want to spend so much time at. So we are currently at Rialto Bridge, which is the largest bridge in Venice.
Ciao.
Ciao. So we have just arrived to the St. Mark's Basilica. Super, super, super pretty building. I think it's a church. No, it is a church. I think there's a line to get in, right?
Yeah.
We got tickets. The tickets let you go to the cathedral, the basilica, some palace. Y'all, obviously I didn't do my research as to what's here, but it's a lot like a historical stuff around, so it's like a 4-in-1 type of deal, which is great. So yeah, we're gonna go stand in this line and see what's all inside.
Say baby, what you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone.
Hey guys, good morning. So we are on our way to Rome. We're at the public bus station area. We're gonna take a bus on over to the airport, and then from there we're going to fly on over to Rome. We're spending about 3 days in Rome, and it just so happens that today is St. Patrick's Day, which is why you have on your green. And the Colosseum apparently turns green on St. Patrick's Day, so that'll be fun to see. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys when we get there.
We changed my mind. It's kinda hard to explain. But boy, I'll try. You need to sit down, this may take a while. See this boy, he's so that looks just like you. Yes, you even smiles just the way you do. So, and that's an easy, but I was fooled.
Hey y'all, so we just checked in to our hotel. We're staying at the Waldorf Astoria Cavalieri. I'm probably butchering it like crazy, but that's where we're at. Let me go ahead and show you guys the tour. It's a really, really pretty hotel. Very, where are we? Italy. It's designed in a very like Italian old school type of way, which I think is really cute and has a really nice charm. So when you first enter, there's this big mirror, and then the bathroom is over here. That's the bathroom, the tub, mirrors, nothing too fancy. TV, then there's the bed, and it has this like seating area, which is great. And then here's my favorite part. When you come outside, there's this balcony, more mirrors, and then you get a view of the city, which is so pretty. So we're actually in a time crunch right now, so I'm gonna finish up my makeup get ready, put on my outfit. We're gonna do some room service, order in lunch, and then head on over to the Coliseum and to the Forum out there. So I'll bring you guys along.
Where you from?
Nigeria.
No, you're joking. I don't believe you. Maybe you're from Senegal.
No. Anywho.
Because a good guy is for you.
No, thank you.
No money, I'm just happy.
No, thank you,
Like it from Kenya.
I'll take it, brother.
All right, you guys. So we are at the Coliseum. Just arrived. Gonna say hi?
Hey.
So yeah, we checked in to our hotel. Now we're heading on over to the Coliseum. And then I think there's something called like the Forum. So clearly I did my research. But we're gonna go do that as well. And then it's St. Patrick's Day. So actually the Coliseum, I guess apparently like lights up green today. So we're gonna watch that. And then we're gonna go get dinner somewhere. Hopefully find like a rooftop restaurant that gives us a nice view of the Coliseum. And just have a great romantic evening. And then go home. So I'll see you guys at the Coliseum. The following day, we woke up early and decided to go down to enjoy a nice breakfast at our hotel and plan what we wanted to do for the day. Our first stop was the Vatican. My husband and I were both raised Catholic, so this was a really beautiful and special experience to see what the Vatican had to offer. Following the Vatican, of course, we had to go to Trevi Fountain, which was so beautiful. All right, 3, 2, 1. After the Trevi Fountain, we just wandered around, got some gelato, of course, can't go to Italy without that, and just explored for the rest of the day. Overall, Italy was such an incredible trip, and we definitely cannot wait to come back and explore more Italian cities.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin'.